bakers!
And welcome to the Love Kitchen, where we cook, make, and bake healthy recipes with love. This is our head chef, Larita Love.
And this is my assistant, Amazing Amika. Today we will be making rhubarb crisp.
That is sugar-free and gluten-free.
For this recipe, you will need the following ingredients: stevia, almond flour, coconut flakes, oat flakes, swerve, MCT oil, cinnamon, butter, rhubarb, blueberries, apples, and you will also need a measuring spoon, measuring cup, a cake pan, and parchment paper. Stop the video here to look at the recipe. The first step before any cooking or baking is to ensure that we wash our hands. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then line your cake pan with parchment paper and then coat it with MCT oil. Then pick some rhubarb from your garden or a friend's garden. Cut the leaves and then chop the rhubarb. Peel and slice up 2 apples. Pour 3 cups of chopped rhubarb into your cake pan. Add 2 cups of blueberries. Then add 3 cups of apples. And then you add half a cup of swerve. Add half a cup of stevia. And then mix all ingredients together so that the sweeteners coat the fruit. Next, add 1 cup of almond flour. Add 2 cups of oat flakes. Add half a cup of coconut flakes. Add half a tablespoon of cinnamon, and then stir all your ingredients together. Next, slice up half a cup of butter and place on the top of your mixture. Then put the mixture in the oven and set the timer for 40 minutes.
Now that our crisp is out of the oven,
Let's dig in!
A special shout out to my mom.
And my best friend Chelsea.
Happy birthday! Please subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get notified every time we post a new Love Kitchen video. And we'll see you next time.
Bye!
Wait, is it
That was
cake
great.
or crisp?
Crisp, I guess we should say.
Yeah, let's say
Okay.
crisp.
Now that our crisp is out of the oven, Amazing Amika.
Today we are going to be baking
Rhubarb crisp!
Why do I talk so quickly?
Okay.
That's a wrap!